Assalamu alaikum student, it's week 8, day 1 lecture and the topic is mail merge. Objective student will be able to realize that mail merge function give us the ability to create and print the same text for different function. Success criteria: save your work and close the file after performing task. Okay, what is mail merge? When you want to send a personalized text to many people, to do this you don't have to create 10 different documents, just use mail merge. If you want to send the same text, the text is same, but you have to send them to different people, then you don't have to write the 10 different document, just use the mail merge. In mail merge, text remain the same, only the recipient or the name of the people or address will be different. Mail merge give us the ability to printing the same text for different recipient. Okay, the question is how you can create the mail merge that text remain the same, only the recipient or the address will be changed. You have to follow some step. When you follow this step, then you can create the mail merge. Step required to complete mail merge: number 1 is select document type, select starting document, select recipient, type your letter, preview your letter, complete the mail merge. These steps are followed in Microsoft Word. When you open Microsoft Word, then you create mail merge and follow these steps. Then you are able to create the mail merge.
Goodwill Community
envelopes printed with each person's name and address. The document I have here is a letter offering customers a discount on their next order. I want to personalize it by addressing each copy of the letter to the customer using some information I have stored in a spreadsheet. To begin, go to the Mailings tab, then Start Mail Merge, and select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. This will walk you through the process one step at a time using this pane on the right. The type of document I'm working with is a letter, so I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And I also plan to stick with my current document instead of using something else like a template. Now I need an address list so Word can create a copy of each letter for each customer. To start from scratch, you can type a new list, then click Create to enter your recipients individually. Alternatively, if you do have an existing document with the information you need, like an Excel workbook in my case, choose Use an existing list, then browse to find it. Now click Open and select the worksheet that contains the list. I know mine is in Sheet 1. In this example, you can uncheck any recipients that you don't want to include. I want to include everybody though, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now it shows that workbook as my recipient list. So now it's time to write my letter. You can add something unique for each recipient, including their address, a personal greeting, and more. I'd like to add an address block first. Just place your cursor where you want it to go, then click the item. Here's a preview of what it's going to look like, and a few alternative formats to choose from for the recipient's name. Click OK, and a placeholder will appear in your document. This is where the address will go later on. The other thing I'd like to add is a greeting. Again, you have a preview here, and the ability to change some of the formatting if you'd like. Let's move on to the next step, previewing the finished product. I just want to make sure the information from my list appears the way it should. You can take a look at each recipient's copy by clicking the arrows here. Everything looks great, so let's complete the merge. If you click the print command, Mail Merge will ask which pages you want to print before sending you to the final step. I want to print every document in my recipient list, so I'm just going to keep all. Now all you have to do is adjust the settings if you need to, then click OK. Knowing how to use mail merge is a must for creating multiple letters, labels, envelopes, and more. The possibilities